Gusto mo bang matutunan ang digital art, branding at visual communication? Then this course is perfect for you. Kahit beginner ka o gusto mong i-level up ang new skills, dito sa course namin matututunan ang mga skill na kailangan mo. Why graphic design is important? Alam niyo ba na graphic design ang susi sa paglikha ng impactful visuals? Ito ang ginagamit sa branding, marketing at advertising. Malaki ang demand para sa graphic designers sa business at freelancing. Ang magandang design ay nakakatulong sa brand identity at customer engagement. Kung gusto mong maging isang professional designer o freelancer, ito na ang first step mo, kabayan. What you learn in this course, sa graphic design course na ito, matututunan mo ang basic to advanced design principles, how to use design software, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDraw, and many more. Logo and branding design, social media and marketing graphics, freelancing tips para sa designers, hands-on learning ang approach natin para mas madali kang matuto. Who should enroll in this course? Aspiring graphic designers, business owners na gustong bawa ng sariling marketing materials, students na gustong matutunan ang digital design, freelancer na gustong magkaroon ng extra skills. Walang required experience, matututo ka from scratch hanggang sa maging expert ka. Ano ang mga requirements para makapag-enroll sa course na ito? Ang requirements lang ay civil ID copy, 2x2 picture or selfie picture. Available din po ang course na to both face-to-face and online interactive classes via Zoom. Kagandahan sa course namin na ito is flexible schedules at pwede pa bayaran ang course fee ng monthly installments. So what are you waiting for? Enroll na sa graphic design course namin and grab our special offer for this month. For more details, you can message us on our WhatsApp number at +965-9930-2850 or +965-6076-7714 and look for Miss Momina. Ano pa ang hinihintay niyo? Let's turn your ideas into a stunning visuals here in ICSA, your partner in success. Thank you.